myself, Dr. Karan Pratap Singh. I am along with you with my new episode of Green Blue Earth. So today we will talk something about Earth Day. So Earth Day is observed on 22 April of every year, and it is to raise awareness for Earth environment. Earth Day, founded by the Senator Gaylord Nelson, was first organized in 1970 to promote ecology and raise awareness of growing problems of air, water, and soil pollutions. Why there is a need to care our environment? A clean environment is essential for healthy living. The more we don't care about our environment, the more it will become polluted with contaminants and toxins. Many diseases has been coming due to pollution, and new challenges are ready to come in the near future. We all need to raise a voice for making awareness for environment protection. We should participate voluntarily to take part in plantation of the tree in our locality, preserve the natural ecosystem, develop cities which are compatible with the nature. There are various ways by which we can develop awareness among our people about need to preservation of the environment. The Earth Day is celebrated to establish a framework for communicating and coordinating various programs and activities. It is a joint activity program, and it is a tool, or it is a day. Actually, we need every day need inspiration because we see problems every day, and every day effort is required to save this planet. Because as you understand, when you go and see the sky in the night, when there is a dark everywhere, you will see millions and millions of stars on the sky. But we only have one earth where we can live. This is our habitat. This is our home. Many space agencies are trying to find the trace of life in the cosmos. And unfortunately, we are unable to find the trace of any living entity outside this earth. We do not find the trace of life anywhere. We do not find any planet where we can shift all the population of earth from earth to that planet. Think about it, the value of this planet. Think about the value of the natural resources. Think about the value of, realize the value of, don't think only, realize. Realize the importance of our river, our wild animals. If an animal become extinct, no scientific research can remake that species. If we lost a tree or a herb, we can't produce it again if we do not have the source. So there is a need, there is an importance to preserve the natural resources, the natural gift that God gave to us in millions and millions of stars. Only we have a single planet, which is our home, where we are living. So Earth Day is celebrated every year, and this year we also celebrated it. But there is a need that every day we will realize it, and we will think about our activities, our act, and think how we can prevent the deterioration of our environment by our own activity. We can limit the use of our vehicle. We can save our water. We should teach our students, we teach our people and our children so that they are the futures of this world. We have spent our more than, I am 45 years old. I have spent my 45 years, now 20 years or more than 30 years, not more than that, I have in my hand. So after 30 years, a new generation will grow and they take the charge. What we will left, they will take the charge. So we should give them petrol, we should give them clean water, we should give them the jungle, we should give them the trees, we should give them the animals, we should give them the rivers. We should not spoil our river and turn into the Ganda Nala. What children get after 200 years when he dig the soil and he find tons and tons and tons of plastic there. Everyone knows there are plastic and its life is more than 200, 300 years. After 300 years, maybe 20%, 40% it will degrade. So everyone knows that plastic is a biggest problem of the world and recycling of the plastic is no solution. The cost required for the recycle of the plastic is no solution. If we dump it, it will remain as it is for very, very long, and after degradation it will release the chemicals. But we are going to give for our future generation, what we will left for our grandchildren and grand-to-grandchildren. Think about it. So today's year in 2021, the theme of the Earth Day 2021 is Restore Our Earth. It is very difficult task. Not a single government, not a single person, not a single individual, not a single organization can get these objectives. Can't reach to its objectives because this problem is cumulative. I am very, very surprised to see scientists are writing, scientists are explaining, scientists are exploring, give the news, giving this game talk in the interviews, write in the newspapers, write in the magazines. But is a common man understand the voice of a scientist? Scientists know the plus and minus. He has a foresight and he understands that if we do this, we will get this in the return. Scientists are shouting, stop plastic, stop plastic, stop plastic, save water, use e-vehicle, don't go and deforest the cover of the earth, make the earth more green. But the common person, a common people is always involved in his or her self-gratification. Very few have a realization that there is a need of community effort for making this earth more greener and more blue. So, as you all know that Radio MRTWS India and Radio OPJS Churu is also take this challenge in their hand that at least few people can be motivated from our talks, from the voice of our listeners and from the voice of our contributors. We can make at least something like that. We can motivate at least some people so that they can move toward the direction to make this earth a little more greener, make water a little more blue. So the theme of the Earth Day 2021 is Restore Our Earth. On May 2020, Earth Day Network, the organization body for Earth Day worldwide, announced that the theme of the Earth Day for 2021. Earth Day Network is the world's largest network of 192 countries. International organization, many countries, all are now aware, and they are trying to develop a number of programs. They have taken a number of initiatives so that we can minimize the harmful effect of human activity on our environment. So, in many things, or how the Earth Day celebration started. Earth Day celebration was first celebrated on April 22, 1970, when the 20 million Americans, 10% of the US population at that time, took out to the street to protest against the environment ignorance. As a result, environment and earth conservation became a topic of discussion on the national level. From 1970, people start thinking from a long time. But there is still needed too many things to change the scenario. Earth Day activities is to inspire others, try to make a difference. Earth Day is about to raise awareness about the importance of protecting our planet and taking action. There are many activities which will be motivational tool, which can be act as a motivational tool and inspire to others. As a small, very small activity, I am telling you, at least once in a week, every school organize a small nature walk for every student. At least they can feel the nature. It may be whatever accessible, backyard, local park, forest, school ground, nearby field, lake or river bank. At least 1 month, one month, every school should organize a such type of activity so that the student can feel the nature. And during that nature walk, not only they celebrate a outing, but they will learn the experience, the subject. They will experience the chemistry in the nature. They can experience the biology in the nature. They experience the geography in the nature. They experience nature with their own feeling. We should make a place day on Earth Day to every school, to every college and everywhere. Make a pledge and plant a action, writing down. Make a small pledge and all students or all the children of your colony will follow it. And make some small plans in that plans and try to execute those plans. These small steps an individual can easily take for its own environment, for its own locality. So, my friends, in the same line, we will also organize a national seminar, and we will also organize a science exhibition at OPGS University.